We'll guide you through how to create drawings with Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. You'll see a blank canvas, and this is where your creativity will come to life. On the left side, there's a toolbar with all the essential tools you'll need. Start by selecting the rectangle tool to create basic shapes. Click and drag on the canvas to form a rectangle. You can adjust its size by clicking on the corners and dragging them. If you want to create a perfect square, hold down the ETRL key while dragging. Now let's add some color. Look at the bottom of the screen where you'll see a color palette. Click on any color to fill your shape. You can switch to the select and transform tool, which is the arrow icon at the top of the toolbar, to move your shapes around. To add text, click the text tool in the toolbar, then click on your canvas and start typing. You can change the font size and color in the top bar menu. If you want to draw freehand, select the pencil tool and start sketching directly on the canvas. You can adjust the stroke style and thickness by going to the stroke style tab, which you can find by clicking object in the top menu and then fill and stroke. For more complex shapes, use the Bezier curve tool to draw precise paths. Click to set points, and Inkscape will connect them with straight lines or curves. Once you're happy with your drawing, you can save it by clicking File and then Save As. Choose your preferred file format, like SVG for scalable vector graphics or PNG for a standard image file. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.